Buonasera and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Tonight I'm making for you a quick and easy weeknight or weekend dish. My 4-cheese macaroni and cheese, Italian style. Here in my big pasta bowl I have 4 cheeses. Mascarpone, 8 ounces, 8 ounces of fontina, 8 ounces of Parmigiano Reggiano, 8 ounces of Pecorino Romano. Feel free to mix up the cheeses. For a little bite, for example, take out the pecorino and put in gorgonzola. Oh, one of my favorite, creamy, delicious, and Italian blue cheese. So if you want to throw in a cheddar and make it Italian-American, go ahead. It's all delicious. I have 1.5 pounds of rigatoni, partially cooked. I did about 7 minutes. I'm going to pour my pasta in and mix it up with the cheeses, making sure that the cheeses cover all the pasta. The mascarpone is the creamy cheese. You'll remember from when I made my tiramisu, I mentioned that mascarpone can go in salato or savory dishes or sweet dishes. So we're mixing up all the cheeses, just getting the pastas really well coated. And now what we're going to do is pour in, I have a cup of whole milk here. You may not use the whole cup, and that's fine too. You need very little salt and pepper in this dish because remember the cheeses are so salty. The Pecorino Romano, naturally salty, the Parmigiano Reggiano, same thing. The mascarpone is nice and creamy and delicious. All of this is going to mix together. We're going to put it in a deep dish pan, and in 20 minutes at 350, you're going to have a delectable 4-cheese macaroni and cheese. The pasta's well coated. Let's pour it in my deep dish pan. Look at that goodness. Yummy. Lots of cheese. We'll just flatten it out. The milk keeps the pasta nice and moist too while it's cooking so it doesn't get dry. And here's one of Lisa's tips. I take my Italian breadcrumbs. So these are just Italian breadcrumbs flavored with Italian seasonings, oregano, basilico. You can buy them at the grocery store. And I sprinkle it just a little bit across the top. For the last, I'm going to bake this for 20 minutes, but for the last 3 or 4 minutes, I'm going to broil it and get the breadcrumbs nice and crunchy. To ensure that they're crunchy, I'm taking unsalted butter, and I'm just going to put a few squares just like that, right on the top of the macaroni and cheese. In the oven it goes for 20 to 25 minutes at 350. Our 4-cheese macaroni and cheese has baked for 20 minutes. I've broiled it for 4 minutes so the top got nice and crunchy, and it's a delicious 4-cheese, ooey-gooey, wonderful weeknight or weekend quick dinner. Look at this deliciousness. All the cheese, just the right amount of moisture from the whole milk, not perfect amount of moisture in the pan, not watery, just cheesy and milky, just as it should be. Delicious 4-cheese macaroni and cheese, Italian style. Buon appetito, tutti a tavola. Ciao ciao.